Now we are going to demonstrate interosseous axis. Okay, interosseous axis, as you know, whenever the IV axis is not possible, then we will go the second part of the interosseous route to give the fluids and to give the drugs, everything. Okay, this gun for use on interosseous. This is the entire limb. This is the knee joint. Okay, so below the knee joint, tibial tuberosity. First we have to do with the aseptic conditions. So we have to clean the with the method and everything, because we are entering into the bone. The infection is the more common. So that's why you have to do the aseptic precautions, and you have to drape. Then you have to locate the point. So this is the locate. This is the knee joint. This is the tibial tuberosity. Just 1 centimeter below the tibial tuberosity. Here we have to go perpendicular. Then you have to fix the needle to it. Then this is the point. Then you have to go to the perpendicular like this. Okay. Then you remove the gun and then remove this stillet. Then you have to aspirate. Aspirate. Yes, it is in the interosseous. Okay. Then after aspiration, because it is the bone, you have to inject at least 5 to 10 ml to inside. Then you have to connect it into the IV axis, IV line here. Okay. Then you have to, you can see that. Because it's a interosseous, you have to apply some pressure back so that the fluid will go into this. Okay. So one precaution is you have to do it under sterile conditions, because we are entering into the bone. Okay. Second thing is identification of the point where you have to go. Third thing is how you have to go. You have to go to perpendicularly 90 degrees. You have to go like this. After that, you have to remove the stillet and you have to aspirate to see the any blood is coming from the bone. Then you have to give the distilled water to clear any pathway. Then you have to connect the IV line. Then in this interosseous also, one more advantage is there. You can take the blood for investigations. You can aspirate the blood and send for investigations also, like IV line. Okay. Thank you.